Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and I am Mrs. Pandit. So today's video is Happy Birthday Pravas sir, the birthday special mashup from Stalwart Studio. So yes, I am very much excited because today is Pravas sir's birthday, and happy birthday Pravas sir. May God bless you, live a long, healthy life. Mashup means always it will be containing a lot of stuffs like a lot of hidden facts, a lot of songs, emotions, dance moves, acting skills, expressions, and whatnot. So I'm very much eager to see all of these stuffs, and let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं. Young professor.
Hi, darlings.
Hi darlings. I really love his voice.
అప్పట్లో ఒక మామూలు హీరో వాళ్ళ ఆల్ ఇండియా స్టార్స్ వాళ్ళతో పోల్చుకోలేని రేంజ్కి ఎదిగిన మన
The biggest star in India.
ప్రభాస్ ఎలా ఉంటాడు రా వాడు ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఫీల్ గుడ్ సినిమా ముందు వచ్చే స్మోకింగ్ యాడ్ లాంటి వాడు కంటెంట్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్న విజువల్ చాలా డిస్టర్బింగ్ ఉంటుంది సార్ స్ట్రాంగర్ దెన్ లైఫ్ సింహం అక్కడుంది
Wow.
మాటలు సార్ పెట్టేస్తున్నాడు అనుకుంటున్నావా రేబల్ టైమ్ స్టార్ట్ నా కట్అవుట్ చూసావా కట్అవుట్ చూసి కొన్ని నమ్మే ఐ డోంట్ టిప్పర్లా రైలు స్ఫోటం గుద్దితే ఎలా ఉందో తెలుసా హాట్ పవర్ ఎక్కువ మనిషితో పాటు రెబల్ అంట ప్రభాస్
ప్రభాస్
యంగ్ లెవెల్లో ప్రభాస్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ స్టార్ దానికి నో డౌట్.
they were like, oh, you're from Prabhas land.
I didn't know there was a star who had so many fans.
Wow. Great.
He deserves every ounce of it.
Very great. Very good work, Stalwart Studio. It was amazing, and you have included all of the main contents, and that is what I like the most. Okay, his top class movies, his like epic scenes, जो बाहुबली का था ऊपर से जंप करने का, that was also there, and also like the fighting between the Kalakya and Pravas, that was also there, and Rebel movie का parts थे, मतलब what not, every sort of scenes where Pravas's epic acting skill we got to see in his movies, all of them are there. His previous movies also, very old movies also, and very brand new movies also, people are talking about him also, everything, like I cannot judge that yeah, this portion is missing or that portion is missing, everything was like on point, and I really enjoyed throughout the video. And yes, we all know that Stalwart Studio are, always their work is very brilliant, their content is very good, they put lot of hard work to make a good content, to make a good very great content, you can say. So it was definitely that. And yes, Pravas sir का जो बात बोलना चाहती हूँ मैं, he is a very expression king. We all know that he can do any kind of any sort of role, whether it is expression kind of role where you have to put a lot of expression only, like not that much acting, not that much action kind of scenes. He is brilliant in that. And also at the side by side, very kind of action sequences, action scenes, fighting and all that also he can do brilliantly. So he is very versatile. And we all know Allu Arjun sir is talking about him, Pooja Hegde ji also was talking about him. So each and everyone, very big stars also are talking about him. So this is very like moment of pride for a person, that people are talking about him, people are talking about their his creativity, his acting skill, his work. So that is actually is the main motto of doing anything, okay, in life. So he's a great actor, and on this special occasion of his life, like his birthday, this video is a great content, okay. This is a great gift from your side, and also I am feeling very much happy to give the reaction on this content. And really I am feeling a little bit emotional because लाइक मन खुश हो जाता है जब हम ऐसा टाइप का कोई वीडियो देखते हैं जहाँ पे आपको लगे कि हाँ सब कुछ ये लोग डाले हैं, सब कुछ 100% है, एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक परफेक्ट, एंड you feel good from within. So definitely that video is something like that, and very beautifully done. So when I first saw Prabhas sir, no, I was like, okay, this person is super duper handsome. And also the thing which caught my attention was his height. So that time I didn't know his height and everything. I was like he is the tallest person I think I have ever seen in the cinema, Indian cinema history. Because अगर आप देख लो, अमिताभ बच्चन जी is very tall, but I think he is taller than him also, and that attracted me a lot because he is having a genuine personality. He is having a very broaded shoulder, very long legs, and his physique is very impressive, and he is very much suitable with any kind of character, like whether it is hero kind of character or any villain kind of character, he is having that much capability. So I really liked that fact actually. So now I'm admitting this thing. I think previously also in some videos I have admitted that fact, that his height attracted me a lot, his physique attracted me a lot. And to be very frank, now also when I was seeing, my whole attention was like there only. Okay, this person is like having the wonderful height, okay, in among any kind of actors, actresses, anyone. Okay, so I really like that fact. And you can also let us know like which fact you like the most about Prabhas sir, because it is Prabhas sir's birthday, so we can definitely talk about more about his nature, about his physical structure, or his acting, his anything, like his educational background, his background, anything. If you know, you can definitely let us know. I would love to know about like Prabhas sir. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Skyborn Brain Mastery Center, and he's commenting on Bigil football flashback scene HD reaction, and he's commenting, Talapati really played that game. One of the girls in that movie tell it in an interview. Yes, actually we also got to know that thing, because he was playing like a pro, he was playing like a real player. Okay, nobody can distinguish that he is an actor and he is doing some acting. He was looking exactly like a football player, and brilliantly he was doing his acting. That time also his expression was like top class. Whole execution of the scenes were like brilliantly executed. So we really enjoyed each and every parts of the scenes, you can say. And yes, we also have heard this thing in an interview, I think probably, that he learned football from the proper players of football. He learned football and he get training for that, and after that he has executed the whole scene. So we can definitely give a clap for that being an actor, it is very difficult actually, because you are in a different field, you are doing acting and everything, and also in that place you are learning some other kind of stuff which is very difficult, and you are doing like 100%, and you just topped in that. So that is a very great thing for Talapati Vijay sir. I think nothing is impossible for Talapati Vijay sir. He is the super guru, so he can do anything, and we as a fan are like proud, okay, supremely proud about Talapati Vijay sir's acting and his everything. So thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. Okay, so the second comment for today's video is from Yatesh Nanda, and he's commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting nice reaction, cute smile and smiley. So thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. If you have any suggestions, any videos you want us to give the reaction, definitely you can let us know. You can definitely leave some comments or link like on which video you want us to give the reaction. We can definitely do that. And once again, thank you so much for this appreciation and finding my smile cute. I always think that my smile or my laugh, rather than not smile, is like a raksashi, okay, it's very monstrous. I feel that, and also people told several times that please don't laugh that much because we are not able to hear the sound of that video. And I'm like, okay, I'm becoming like embarrassed, okay, whenever I saw this kind of comments. Okay, so you find it cute, that is actually made my day. So thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Aman Malike, and he's commenting on Aladdin reaction Round to Hell. Yes, वो बोल रहे हैं Aladdin नहीं है, Aladdin है. I'm very sorry, I am not a Hindi person. I am a Bengali, and from heart, from my language, from my accent, from everything, I am a Bengali. Okay, that is why I choose English on this platform, because I know when I will start talking in Hindi, you guys will be becoming like bored, and you can guys definitely find out a lot of errors, or you can definitely put a debug point on my language, because हाँ ऐसा होता है. Aladdin हम बोलते हैं, in Bengali accent it is Aladdin only, but in Hindi I think it is Aladdin, not Aladdin. Okay, so I can definitely I also find it very funny. Okay, मैं अपना ही मजाक उड़ाती हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके. So definitely I don't mind your comment. It is sort of like funny, and thank you so much for this correction and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button if you like this content, and also share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.